Rocco and I are waiting for the kids, and we are stuck in the middle of a freaking major hailstorm. And my car is leaking. Look at from the sunroof. Yeah. Alright, y'all, so I am out in these streets running errands. It's freezing. If you saw my last vlog, you'll know how the weather has been faring, and it has not been faring well. So I'm gonna go on some errands. I have to do a whole bunch of just little stuff around town, like get this dirty car cleaned. Have to hit up FedEx, have to go to Starbucks because I ran out of coffee creamer this morning, which is never good. And I'm such a loving wife. I just want to say I sacrificed my alertness this morning by pouring the last mug of creamer, which I'm very picky about my creamer, and I gave it to my husband because he was extremely tired. So I just want you to know, when your girl shares coffee in that way and forgoes it just so that my husband can have it, now that in my house is considered love. My husband was shocked. So, but I had to give it to the guy. He was super tired, and he cooked a bomb dinner last night, and he always goes to the store at the freaking crack of dawn for me if we're out of creamer, so I figured I kind of owe him. I'm in a mad dash. I've been like banging out work today, and went and ran a whole bunch of errands for work, and then did my grocery shopping online, which is like my new favorite thing ever. And I was gonna go for a run today, except for it's freaking blistering cold. So I forwent that and came home and did some online grocery shopping. So the beauty in this is that it takes a freaking 3 times the amount of time to go to the grocery store when I have my kids, but it also costs more money, and I've noticed that. So one of my friends, Michelle, told me about getting her groceries online, and at first I was really reluctant because I was just like, this just seems like too much of a hassle. Finally, after she bothered me about it long enough, I did it, and I'm so thankful for her. I've been ripping and running and doing all this stuff. Now I need to clean up my disaster of a kitchen, and then I have to go pick it up, and I literally have like less than 40 minutes, and my house is literally, like, my kitchen is a hot mess right now, which is a problem because when I go get groceries, I clean my fridge out so that I can just put the groceries in, which I just did, and my fridge was a disaster, and I literally like did a huge deep clean on it. Well, now, you know, when you clean out the fridge and you have like leftovers and all that stuff that you have to now dump and then wash, well, I have to do all of that like before it's time to go. So I'm just like freaking out because I don't want them to put my order back. But the other funny thing is that, I don't know if you guys do this, but when I clean out my groceries or my fridge, I try to see what I can make, like all the stuff that's still good that I just haven't grabbed for. So today, literally just like 20 minutes, 30 minutes ago, while I was cleaning out my fridge, I decided to make 2 quiches, which is like a favorite in my house. My kids love it. My husband loves it. It's super fast. It keeps well. So making it tonight is great because it's always better the next day. And I'm going to have my kids eat that for breakfast tomorrow, so my husband and I don't have to make breakfast. But the cool thing is, I literally just, it's like a challenge. I literally had nothing, which I just needed to really go grocery shopping. So I made 2 quiches. One of them is broccoli and cheddar, but it has the vegan cheese instead of the regular cheddar cheese, and caramelized onions. And then the other one is caramelized onions, goat cheese, red chili flakes, and basil. And so no cheddar in there. It's actually just goat cheese. So I'm so excited, and my kids are gonna flip. They are like addicted to quiche. I did meal plan today. So if you're wondering like, okay, how does the day go? While I'm working from home, when I'm on break or just have to like get up and stretch or something, that's when I try to tackle either exercise, which hence I was gonna go for a run, or I tackle the things around the house. So today what I've gotten accomplished is all of the work that I was supposed to get accomplished today. I went and ran some errands. Cleaning is what I'm doing now. The grocery shopping, I did meal planning, of course. In order to go grocery shopping, you should meal plan not only for dinners, but I meal plan for breakfast and lunch. That way it really minimizes the amount of times my husband and I have to go to the grocery store, which also costs more money. And it's just time consuming. And then I am really going to try to like kill it this week by packing. I have a business trip I'm going on, but it's not until, I'm not leaving until March 11th. And normally I pack the weekend that I'm leaving. So since March 11th is on a Sunday, my goal, and since I'm not traveling this week and I haven't been traveling for the last few weeks, my goal is to pack this week. So if I could get packed for my travel by Friday, oh my gosh, I would be so happy. You guys, this is a weekly grocery shop for my family, plus probably 2 or 3 more bags from Trader Joe's that I picked up this morning. But that's not bad to feed 6 very large humans. So I just pulled up for my e-cart and I'm waiting. The one by my house is actually really good. Generally, when you get there, you're not waiting more than like 3 or 4 minutes. So I'm chilling, just waiting. And I forgot to update you guys. Today is the day Marley goes in for an evaluation on her cast. There was an incident that occurred at school that caused her cast to loosen. So we're really nervous that she's not going to be able to get it taken off today because she's really over it. But I'm hoping that it wasn't loosened so much that she has to keep it on longer. So we'll see. I told her not to get her hopes up, but to pray for the best. So yeah, I'll check in with you guys later. Okay, I'm back. I have my groceries. I put them away, and I think I was just sitting here thinking about the funniest thing. I don't know if you parents do the same, but you know when you clean out your refrigerator, you go grocery shopping, you set your fridge up how it would be if you didn't have kids, and you know that as soon as the kids touch the refrigerator, all of your organization efforts go away. So I was sitting here giggling at the fact that they're literally going to be here in like 20 minutes, and everything that I just did is going to be completely destroyed. So I'm going to show you guys my ideal perfect refrigerator organization, and just comment below and let me know if you guys have the same experience. See this, how it's like nicely organized. I have all my drinks, my eggs, all the yogurts and the fruits. I even have the bins that the fruits go in. These are blackberries, all this niceness. Do you guys see that? The kids will destroy this. Destroy. Even the freezer. Like all of the little treats that we give them. By the way, did you guys know that these mochi ice creams from Trader Joe's are vegan? So yeah, and this is the bomb. This lemon cake halo top ice cream, I would highly recommend. Haven't tried this yet. But yeah, they're gonna destroy it. So I've been into this self-care thing and trying to like do things that we don't as women do every night or often. So I don't do this every night, but I do it once a week. So tonight I'm doing a face mask, and this is by Creme Shop. It's a Korean face mask, and it's called Calm Down Skin. So I'm gonna do this and see if I can get some moisture back into my face. I figured you guys would want to see it on. So it's basically, it smells a lot like grapefruit, which is really cool. And you leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, and then when you take it off, you're not supposed to rinse. So this is probably a very moisturizing mask, and I think that the focus is to make sure that it calms your skin. So if you have like breakouts, which I'm sure is from the acid from the grapefruit, but it calms it all down. I am looking for, I don't really have problem skin at the moment, but I am looking for moisture, so we shall see. I'll check in with you guys when it's done, just to see if it gave me the moisture that I think it It should, but again, it's Calm Down Skin. And I think I got this at Target. So yeah, I'll let you guys know how I like it. Alright you guys, so I tried it. I love it. There's still some residue from the mask, but you're supposed to just leave it and let it sink in. But I love it, so I'm so glad I did it. And now I'm going to chill. I actually have these, I don't know if you guys have seen these in the store, Neapolitan M&Ms, which are the bomb. So I'm going to have these, and I'm going to watch a movie after I finish watching this game. I'm going to make myself some matcha tea, and I'm calling it a night. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I will check y'all on the next one.